Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Pocket Broker app login issue. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. Once you come here, tap on the category of search at the bottom right. Now go to the search bar and search for Pocket Broker. From here, tap on Pocket Broker application. Now over here, if you see the option of update instead of the option of open, tap on it and make sure that the Pocket Broker app is updated to its latest version. Once you update the app, you will be getting bug fixes and the login problem will be fixed as well. Now another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. From here, scroll down below and tap on apps. From here, you could directly search for Pocket Broker, then tap on the app. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on Storage. Now over here at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of Clear Cache. Once you clear cache from the application, all your login problem and app issues will be fixed. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.